In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Wix DNS records. Whether you're looking to update your site settings or just curious about where your domain is pointing to, finding your DNS records can be a crucial step. Follow along, and by the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to find those records with ease. First things first, we need to head over to the Wix website. Once you've opened up Wix in your browser, navigate to the settings by looking for that familiar settings icon. Clicking on this will open up a series of options where you'll want to find domains. This section is central to managing all aspects of your websites hosted through Wix. Once you're in the domains section, you'll be able to see all the domains associated with your account. This is your domain managing hub, making it easy to access and modify any domain specifics you need. The next thing you'll want to do is copy your domain name. This is done by simply highlighting your domain and using your device's copy function, usually a right-click followed by selecting Copy, or if you're a keyboard shortcut kind of person, Ctrl+C or Command+C if you're on a Mac. You've now got your domain name saved to your clipboard, ready for the next step in the process. Our journey to uncovering DNS records brings us to whatsmydens.net. This tool is fantastic for quickly checking the DNS records associated with your domain. Head over to whatsmydens.net and you'll be greeted by a clean and straightforward search page. In the search bar that you've spotted on the home page, paste the domain name you just copied. Once your domain name is securely in the search bar, you're ready to unveil the details. Press the search button, and just like that, you'll have access to a whole host of DNS records associated with your domain. Depending on your specific domain setup, you might see several types of records like A, MX, and C name records. Each serves a specific purpose in where and how your domain points to certain servers and services. Make sure to review these details carefully. If you've been instructed to update any of these records, the results here will guide you in confirming that everything is set up correctly. So there you have it, a simple, straightforward way to find your Wix DNS records. By following these steps, not only have you accessed your domain names through Wix's settings, but you've also leveraged the power of whatsmydens.net to gather critical information about your domain's DNS records. Whether you're troubleshooting, setting up new website features, or ensuring everything's running smoothly, you're now equipped with the know-how to do just that. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful.